Come with me to the Marvel Thunderbolts movie premiere at the Dolby Theater in Hollywood. I cannot believe we got to go to this. Thank you so much, Disney, for inviting us, by the way. It was me, Shane, and Chance. Shane looking dapper next to my wife, who accidentally stumbled into this area, and we got to be so close to her. I literally, breathtaking, stolen. And the guys here too, Sebastian Stan, David Arbor, everybody was looking so good. Once Florence got on the carpet, I was not okay. I did not think we would be this close. She is a goddess, and not to mention her acting in this movie, by the way. The movie was so good. But I'm getting ahead of myself here. I literally had to take a moment and look at my hands and make sure I was in reality. But here's Chance on his first carpet beach. Look at him, he looks so good. And then, of course, Julia Louis-Dreyfus literally rolls up. I love this footage so much of just Chance waiting patiently at the end as this queen is posing. Then it was our turn, took some photos. I was so cold, by the way. And then pretty soon it was time for the movie to start. They did this huge epic reveal of other filmmakers and all the cast stepping out and saying hi to everybody.
I am so excited to sit in an audience and hear, hopefully you guys whoop and whistle and cry. It's going to be a pleasure. I love these guys, and we love you too.
Go see Thunderbolts May 2nd. It is so good. And guys, what the heck is my life? What the heck?